ہم گزارش کرتے ہیں جناب محترمہ شمشاد حسین صاحبہ جو پریزیڈنٹ انجمن صغرا کے ہیں، شاید یہ تعارف کے محتاج نہیں ہیں. ہیڈز آف ٹو دا لیڈیز آرگنائزیشن، ان کی آرگنائزیشن قریب 50 سال سے ٹریمنڈس کام کر رہی ہے. انہوں نے بہت سے گریجویٹس کریٹ کیے ہیں، انجینئرز کریٹ کیے ہیں. فیلڈ آف ایجوکیشن میں یہ لوگ اسکالرشپ دیتے ہیں جب تک بچے اپنا پورا ایجوکیشن کمپلیٹ نہ کر لیں، اور ہر ایک فیلڈ میں یہ لوگ لیڈیز آرگنائزیشن سپورٹ کرتی ہے. اتنا آسان نہیں ہے 50 سال تک اس آرگنائزیشن کو چلانا. الحمدللہ ہم خاص کر اس یا زہرا ٹی وی نیٹ ورک کی طرف سے شکر گزار ہیں ان محترموں کا جو اتنی کامیابی کے ساتھ یہ چلا رہے ہیں. اب ہم گزارش کرتے ہیں جناب محترمہ میر شمشاد حسین صاحبہ سے کہ وہ اپنا اسپیچ دیں.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. I begin in the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, respected members of our community. I would like to thank Joint Action Committee for giving me this opportunity to address you all on behalf of Anjuman Sughra. Before I start, I would like to give you a sneak peek about what we do at Anjuman Sughra. We are a women's organization who work for the betterment of women and girl child in our community. We are providing monthly pensions and rations to widows. We are sponsoring 200 girls in schools and colleges, and we also look into the health of women. We also help in times of marriages. More than anything, and above all, we work towards empowering women to make a better life for themselves and their families, be it encouraging them with various jobs, counsel them, hear them out, and give them assurance and confidence. Ever since the onset of this pandemic, the only thing on our mind was how can we help our community and reach out to the people in need. Since March last year, along with Masjid Khabristan Committee, Anjuman Imamia, Adara Faizul Islam, Khoja Jamaat and all other adaras, we have raised funds and worked together with the JAC. We have successfully run 6 distribution cycles of rations in the past year. Our focus as an organization is not only to help with funds and rations, but also to empower women to contribute to the family's income. We encourage them to supply home-cooked tiffins to homes of COVID patients. It has been a long journey filled with trials and tribulations and would not have been possible alone. The saying, unity is strength, truly applies to the whole mission. Along with all the adaras and some incredible people like Nasir Bhai, Mumtaz Bhai, Anis Bhai, Zaki Khalili, Zahir Abbas and Dr. Batul, this would not have been possible. I would like to acknowledge the support and contributions made by our member Yasmin Akbar in distributing the rations in these difficult times. To our dedicated doctors, seniors and juniors, who have played heroes night and day to save precious lives, a big salute to their untiring support. A special thank you to Kafan Dafan Committee and our frontline workers Imran, Hamza and Inayat and Azad, who have tirelessly distributed oxygen cylinders, oximeters, concentrators to reach the needy at odd hours round the clock. They have put their lives at risk and attended to the needs of the community. This whole broadcast would not have been possible if it weren't for our live wire, Bakhar Abbas, who always is there working tirelessly night and day. Our duas are with you, and also to the Riya Zehra channel. May Allah bless all the volunteers and donors with good health, and may all the sick be granted shafa. I may have missed out a few names because of the constraint in time, but all their selfless efforts are appreciated. May God reward them. Here I would like to remember a very special member of our organization, Sultana Raza Pasha, who recently passed away. She was an integral part of our organization. Please keep her in and her family and all those who have lost their lives due to COVID or are sick in your duas. May Allah grant her Jannah. Please also remember our brothers and sisters in Palestine who are fighting the Zionists regime, and may they come up successful in this effort of theirs. I am proud to say that the Anjuman-e-Sughra is entering its 50th year of service to the community. We are blessed to have a good team of members who are passionate about serving the community and making a difference in the lives of people. I would like to conclude by saying, may Allah increase our jazba and courage and give us health to keep serving our community at all times. Above all, we are grateful to Allah and the Masumeens who have made us a Zariya to help the community and do our best we can. Let us pray to Allah to end this pandemic and hasten the reappearance of our Imam, Ajjalala Zahurak.
Shukriya Muhtarama Shamshad Hussain Sahiba. We would like to bring to your kind notice that the Anjuman-e-Sughra is quite cooperative, and whenever you want anything, they are always open. The Young Ladies Organization is always available for you at any point of time. We at Anjuman-e-Imamiyya in 2019, in coordination with Anjuman-e-Sughra, had organized few programs like the self-defense program for the young girls and many such programs with them. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation.